One day before the pandemic, while I was conducting a survey around Mesilau area in Kundasang, I saw a clump of rhizome thrown beside the road and decided to pick it up and gave it to my mother. What a wonderful surprise that the bulb is actually white rain lily. The stingless bee is also very fond of the white rain lily. After we finally purchased our first home, so I dug out a few bulbs out from this white rain lily clumps and planted it in my own garden in pot. Let's look at different phases of the white lily flowers when they begin to bloom. So fresh blooms have a roundish petal at the edge, while the old blooms will have a sharper edge of the end of the flower petals. Although the rain lily can be grown from bulbs, it is an angiosperm of flowering plants. So white rain lily does produce seed pods. As you can see, this is white rain lily seed pods that has dried and burst out the seeds inside. The white rain lily produce black seeds like this, so many in one seed pods. This is how the white rain lily looks like when the seeds germinate. One of the restaurants that opens late until midnight last year that we enjoyed going beside Kopi Ping restaurant is the Upperstar restaurant. Upperstar restaurant is a local restaurant that has already established for 20 years in Kota Kinabalu. It has lots of branches. One of the branches that we often go is the one at Segama area. When we're in the mood to have Western cuisine like hamburgers, we usually go to this Upperstar branch if we're having a late night snack. The children enjoyed the selections of hamburgers which Upperstar offered. As seen in the menu, there are 8 types of hamburgers that is available.
Monster dengan onion ring. Punya apa? Hungry.
In the evening, just a minute walk away from this Upperstar restaurant, you can go to the I Love KK landmark and watch the sunset or aeroplane passing by. When I was browsing around our albums at Upperstar, I just remembered that we spent the New Year Eve at the Upperstar restaurant. After the late dinner, we walked to a nearby market. After we finished our grocery shopping and we went out, then we realized that it was raining. But we were lucky the next day we can see a beautiful sunset in New Year.